Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today we'll have the girl group called Nature and the song called Girls MV. And to be honest, I have not heard about them, so this is my first time actually checking them out. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Oh, the piano. Ooh. Is this a murder house? There's blood, there's scissors. Oh! It's a horror theme, is it? A horror concept. I mean, don't tell me that's not ghosts. Oh, that's cool. Okay, it's leaning to the creepy vibes. This black and white shot. There's no caption. Those are dangerous. Ooh. Okay, that's kind of weird because I know they are heading towards a creepy or haunted concept, but their drops are actually leaning towards the other end of the spectrum, which is like an EDM-ish kind of song, you know. But it's so far it's good though. It's brilliant. Oh, that's cool. Okay, this part of the song actually, the pre-chorus part is actually making me actually feel kind of way like it's supposed to be sad. I don't know, there's no lyrics for me to actually interpret, but the way it goes though. Yeah, if you guys get what I mean. See, it's black and white and then the song goes very soft bro. And let's go to EDM drop. But I have a feeling this song is actually quite sad though. But the look at the visual, oh shit. Okay, I'm going to repeat it because I was busy talking and I was not ready for that. Okay, we just watch it Oh. That's trippy. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wait, what? Okay, the song is actually quite interesting in a way. It's just so different because the way how the music video is played out and the way the music flows actually, like especially the verse and the pre-chorus. I thought it was going to be like a sad song, a depressing song, but actually when the chorus came on, it was a EDM-ish kind of chorus. It just makes you want to bob your head, but you feel hesitant to do so because the songs is about some sad stuff. Okay, I really love the dance break during this song because it just hits you out of nowhere. Like I didn't expect there would be a dance break in the first place in this type of song, but there is. I'm going to check nature more because this song of them actually got me interested in that. Alright, so if you guys like my narration, do give it a thumbs up. If you guys got any more suggestions, you guys can comment down in the comment section down below. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. And if you guys have not followed me on social media, either on Twitter or Instagram, it's at IDOfficial2000. And with that, thank you for watching my video and see you guys next time. Bye bye.